Hey everyone, hope you're well.
That's it.
Guys, just a really quick one. We recently had the opportunity to sit down and be interviewed by Throp. Now, I know that many of our viewers and subscribers know Throp, know his channel. I know that many of you guys watch his stuff. I know that many of you guys are subscribed. So we recently had the opportunity to sit down and be interviewed by the amazing Throp. Guys, that interview is out now. The video is out now. So guys, I really want you to go over to Throp's channel. I'm going to leave the link to the interview in the description box. And please do watch that interview with Throp and I. I must say, I want to big up Throp. Thank you so much for allowing me to come and share some of my story about moving to Jamaica. And thank you for providing that safe space for me to do so and to feel comfortable. Thank you for your hospitality that you extended to both Outlaw and I. We really appreciate it. Guys, if you don't know Throp, if you've not know his channel, please go over. Throp is doing great work. You know, he's meeting up with lots of different expats, people from all over the world who have decided to make Jamaica their home. And his platform provides people the opportunity to share their story, share their experiences, encourage somebody out there. And I've been following Throp from the very beginning, for a long time I've been following Throp now. So when he reached out and made the call for us to come over and sit down and talk to us, it was a no-brainer, right? We were there.
Beautiful.
So yes, guys, please do watch the interview with Throp and I. Go over to his channel, support his thing, and watch some of the other videos and informative content that he's got on his channel as well.
Yeah, man. What you do, man?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Real man in the business.
Yeah, man. Definitely.
Yeah, man.
So, guys, the description to the link to the interview is in the description. Go over now. Support your girl. Support us. Support Throp. Have a blessed day, guys. Have a blessed day and big up yourself.
Man, I'm proud, bro.
That me say.